as long as you've got 4 steps, 4 counts, all right, forward, back. When we do a performance, we do cajolos coming out. So cajolos can go anywhere. Next one, we're going basics. I always do 4 cajolos and then I'll do a basic. So we're going to bend our knees and we're going to do a hella. A hella is put your right foot forward flat. Keep your knees bent, your foot back together. Knees are bent. Now use your left, together. Right, together. Now use your left foot again. Left, together. Keep your knees bent. Right, together. Cajolo to the right. Step together. Step right. Step together. Step the other. Step together. Step together. Hands on your hips, hella. Right, left, right. Use your left foot now. Left, right, left. Cajolo. Step together. Step together. Step together. Step together. Step together. Step together.
Hella.
Right, get down, left, right, use your left foot down, left, right, left,
Cajolo.
down, this way it's gonna go.
Hella.
Down, get down, go all the way down, left,
Cajolo. Hella.
left, right, use your left foot down,
Cajolo.
center your foot,
Hella.
not bad. Make sure you use the center here, so let that hand cross over, center. You took your thumb and you stuck it between, center.
Show you like that.
All right, next step, we're going to take an ami. Bend your knees. An ami is your hips. Your hips are going to go right. Your hips are going to go back. Your hips are going to go left. And your hips are going to tuck forward. So it's going to be side, back, side, forward. Side, back, side, forward. Side, back, side, forward. Side, back, reverse, go left. Left, back, side, forward. Left, back, side, forward. Left, back, side, forward. Left, back,
Cajolo.
1, 2. Good, good, hey.
Ami.
To the right, right, right. Uncross. Left, left, left.
Cajolo. Ami.
Right, 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 right. Now arm left, 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 left.
Cajolo. Hella.
Hella, 1. Left foot.
Cajolo. Ami.
Ami. Here, on your boots.
Cajolo. Ami. Cajolo.
Bend your knees. Yay.
Hella.
We did an Ami and a hella. We're going to do an Ami cuckoo. An Ami cuckoo is 2 slow Amis, 3 fast Amis to the right, and then 2 slow Amis, 3 fast Amis to the left. Your hands are going to come across your chest. Make sure these elbows don't come down here, but don't bring them way out here. Parallel, okay? I'm going to start with the cajolo.
Cajolo.
1. Ami cuckoo, there we go. This is slow, slow, not 3. 1, 2, 3, and wait. Left, left, 3. 1, 2, 3, and wait. 1, 2, 3.
Ami. Cuckoo.
Okay, another thing. When you army, make sure your feet don't end up here. There should only be enough room for one